going on, guys? Taking my Team Magic E5HX for a spin. This thing's a little beast, I tell you that. Oh man, I've been running it a good bit, just haven't been running it on camera. I did break the wing here, and I zip tied it on because I haven't been able to get the part yet. So I might snap that off today. We'll see how it goes. Oh, there goes the wing. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Oh well, we're going wingless today. Oh, wow. Oh man. Woo. She's an animal. Oh, we missed. Awesome. Oh! That thing is powerful, man. Look at this thing. Good Lord. Man. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, see, them brakes are really sensitive, and if you don't hit them right at the right time, it ain't gonna land level. Man, oh, she's got some power. Wow. It's an animal. This thing's badass. She's got some power, and that's only 3S, guys. Thing's freaking crazy. Man, this thing's fast. Alright guys, I'm going to end it there. I love this little buggy, man. Love it. It's a tank for sure. Team Magic E5HX. Till next time guys, the RC Element out.